How banks can leverage a data cloud to improve client services. There is a direct correlation between client retention and the quality of services rendered by the organization. Businesses that prioritize a secure and efficient client engagement process tend to deliver a higher quality user experience and thereby get a higher customer satisfaction rating. With the increased adoption of data analytics and consumption-based service models for storage and security, financial institutions are increasing their reliance on cloud-based data management solutions. Let's explore how data cloud solutions can help banking and financial services to enhance client services. Challenges with traditional data management architectures. The banking sector has traditionally chosen on-premise data management systems because it gave the bank complete control and ownership of their IT environments. However, the downside to that proved to be insurmountable. On-premise IT systems are proven to be bulky when it comes to setup, maintenance, and management. Additionally, they present a wide set of challenges that include high operational costs, security threats, limited flexibility, and extensive scalability issues. Lack of centralized data. Data transparency and simplified data access are both key organizational requirements. Without centralized data transparency, access is limited and the growing need for more on-site storage results in increased costs and lag times. Centralized data is more conducive to adopting processes that support improved data quality and frequent updates to make it more relevant. Buildup of data silos. When data exists in silos, it can lead to a buildup of data that is vulnerable to corruption and duplication. This leads to a lag in business by preventing data access in a timely manner, a crucial requirement for making informed business decisions. Unless there is an automated infrastructure to consolidate, rationalize, and validate this data, the inefficiencies to separate and cleanse data will cause the organization to suffer from hampered data access as well as data inaccuracy. Slow transactional speeds. Customers want quick and seamless access to banking services with fast transactional speeds. With traditional infrastructure, you have to plan the increased capacity requirements in advance to handle lead times for infrastructure build-out. Without the proper planning, on-premise IT infrastructure can struggle with overloading, which leads to downtime and/or slow processing speeds, especially during peak hours. Slow deployment of services. If banks want to stay competitive, they need to be able to deploy services quickly and securely while constantly reinventing themselves to keep up with changing customers' demands and expectations. If the bank's IT infrastructure cannot keep up with the pace of deployment, new or advanced service introduction does not provide the expected ROI. If the infrastructure design requires purchase and installation of hardware, this will result in delays with deployment. Regulatory compliance. Banks and financial services need to be able to quickly update their compliance with all regulatory mandates and policies. With on-premise data management systems, there's often a lag in updating due to slow speeds, which can lead to compliance and risk issues for the financial institution. The data cloud and how it can help. The need for greater visibility and transparency in accessing, managing, and processing data, both at the organizational and consumer level, is driving banking and financial service sectors to move to data cloud architectures. This architecture allows the institutions to rapidly move data from legacy systems, online repositories, and unstructured data sources. Once the data is consolidated in analytics-ready formats in the data cloud, it is easier to run transformation logic to validate and curate this data to make it market relevant. Data clouds with advanced consumption models provide a more dynamic data management infrastructure, along with better cost allocation support. Cloud data deployment outcomes for banking services. The following are some of the ways in which cloud data can improve client services and experience. Enhance customer experience. The use of a data cloud enables banks to enhance their customers' experience in a variety of ways. Whether it's a more secure environment for third-party apps, faster transaction times, or simply more robust analytics. Improved customer insight. Using a data cloud, banks can now gain in-depth customer insights via the use of updated and relevant customer data and predictive analytics, allowing banks to provide their customers with a more personalized experience across multiple touchpoints. Modernize payments and core banking services. Banks find it easier to introduce new services and products to customers using a data cloud, analytics, and the power of business intelligence to identify new revenue streams. Because of this, banks and financial services organizations, as well as their customers, gain complete agility. Enhanced risk management. Using Data Cloud's robust risk management solutions, banking and financial services are able to secure all their sensitive data while staying updated with all the necessary regulatory mandates. With a Data Cloud, risk analysts can mitigate any future risk or security concerns by simulating potential threat environments or situations. Have questions? Call or email anytime. At NextPhase.ai, we help businesses with all their cloud requirements. Thanks for watching.